Hello friends, welcome to the lecture for user inputs. Now, Flet provides a number of controls for building forms. So the page which we are using is a form. So let's just learn how to add a text box. Now to add a text box, we'll have to start the program or the code with importing Flet. So we just go ahead and import Flet as ft and after importing Flet, what we do is we define a main function, and inside the main function we pass the parameter page. So whatever happens is happening inside the page. Now we create another function named as button click. So what will be inside this button click, we'll be doing that in a moment. So I just create that function named as button click and pass a parameter that's p. Now we say that if not, and then we have this text or txt text underscore name dot value. So this value is coming from the text input. So text underscore name, and we get text dot or text underscore name dot error underscore text. So we get an error that is, please enter your name. So if we just press the button without entering the name, it will give us a prompt that please enter your name. And after that, we update the page. So that is page dot update. Now after this, that was for the if statement. Else, if the user enters a name, so we'll have the name variable created, that is name is equals to text underscore name dot value. So that will be the value. Now page will be clean. So page dot clean. Once the name is entered, we clean the page and then we add that into the page. So page dot add. And what we are going to add, we are going to add the ft or else ft dot text. So this we are passing from the Flet ft dot text, and what we are passing as hello, or let's just say welcome. Okay, so we just say like we just first greet hello and then the name of the person or else the name variable, and then welcome to learn live with. Okay, so that's it. Now bit of punctuations. Now we want the label to be displayed. So this was everything for the button click. Now inside the main function, so outside this button click, what we are doing is we are taking the variable that is text name, so text underscore name. So now whatever errors were there here, these errors or warnings will go away because we are now using that text underscore name as ft flutter dot text field. So we have text field where the user will be entering the name, and the label of that would be label is equals to your name or anything. Name. Your name. Now the user has entered the name. What we have to do is now we have to add this label or this text box inside the page. Yes. So we just do now page dot add, and then what we are adding is text name, then comma. So what we need an elevated button. So ft, but we have already done this elevated button. So elevated button, and once the elevated button is clicked, ft elevated button, we say, so we are calling that function like say hello. So say hello. And then, so that will be in double inverted commas. So that button's name would be say hello, or you can say greet, whatever. say hello, complete, and then when it will be, so it will be done on the click of the button. So on underscore click. What do I perform? I call that function. Which function? I call this function button click. So let's just copy this and then just paste it here. So we have added the label or the text box, and we have also added the button, and that button's name is say hello. And what will that button do? That button on click will call this function. Okay, so now just end the application with ft.app and then just target is main. Target is equals to main. Save this. So we have Textbox, and then just run this application. So when I run this application, okay, there was a error while processing your request page.add. Okay, let's just see the code on click of a button. That's button click, and we need to close the bracket. So this bracket doesn't close here. This bracket closes here. Let's save this and rerun the application. Okay, so we have the application window here. If you just write your name here, my name is Meet. So once I say Meet and then that say hello button, it says hello Meet, welcome to learn, apply and build. So that here was a text box or the text field with an elevated button. In the next lecture, you'll see how to use a checkbox to display some items or to just mark some items from your to-do list. Because in the future or in future lectures, we are going to learn how to make a to-do application using Flet and Python. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you.